start an underhand. So let's go all the way around, and then when you get to the bottom, float up, pull it back, and bring it into overhand. Then when you get to the bottom, pull front, go to underhand, and now to the bottom, pull to overhand, and to the bottom, pull to front, and to the bottom, go up, pull back, go back around to the bottom, come up to the front, and come down and up from the front, and pull it up on the back to underhand, and you're in underhand, pull up and back to overhand. From the back, go up, pull front, and from the front, go up, pull back, and from the back, pull up, go front, and from the front, float up, pull back, and from the back, pull to the front. Okay, let's do 5 more sets. So underhand, front, up, pull it back to overhand, and in the back, go up, pull it front to underhand, and from the front, up, pull it back to overhand, and from the back, up, pull it front to underhand, and from the front, go up, pull it back to overhand, and from the back, up, pull it to underhand, from the front, go up, pull it back to overhand, and from the back, float up, pull it front to underhand. 2 more sets, float up from the front, pull back into overhand, and float up from the back, pull it front to underhand. Last set, go up from the front, pull it back to overhand, and then float up from the back, pull it front, and you're back in underhand where you started. So you're in the underhand, you get to the bottom on the front, go up, then pull it back into the overhand, and then from the back, you pull it to the front to go into underhand. And from the front, pull it back to overhand, and from the back, pull it front to underhand. And from the front, pull it back to overhand, float up from the back, pull it front to underhand, front up, pull it back to overhand, and up, pull it front to underhand.